Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD01 is emitting a strange smell while in use, you're not alone. This can happen due to a buildup of dust and debris in the machine, or even a malfunctioning component. Ignoring this issue could lead to further damage, decreased performance, or even a complete breakdown of your device. Now, let's dive into the tools you'll need for this repair. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and some cleaning cloths. Make sure you have these handy before we start the repair process. First, ensure your Dyson HD01 is unplugged. To open the unit safely, locate the screws at the base of the motor housing. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, placing them in a safe spot to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the housing away from the main body. Be cautious not to force it, as there may be clips holding it in place. Now, let's identify the component that may be causing the unpleasant odor. Typically, this will be the filter or the motor itself. Begin by locating the filter, which is usually situated near the top of the device. If it appears dirty or clogged, it's time to replace it. To extract the filter, simply twist it counterclockwise and lift it out. If you notice any damage or excessive wear on the motor, it may need replacing as well. If your motor seems to be the issue, carefully disconnect the wires attached to it. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently pry off the connectors, ensuring you remember where each wire goes for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, to install the new filter or motor, simply reverse the removal process. Insert the new filter by aligning it with the housing and twisting it clockwise until secure. If you replace the motor, reconnect the wires carefully, ensuring they're secure but not overly tight, as this can damage them. Once everything is back in place, reattach the motor housing, ensuring all clips are engaged and the screws are tightened securely. Before you finish, it's wise to double-check that everything is connected properly and that there are no loose parts. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the filter and check for dust buildup within your Dyson HD01. Regular maintenance will keep your device running smoothly and smelling fresh. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.